and welcome to Digital Zone channel. My name is Iris and today I will show you how to create text in DaVinci Resolve that writes itself, the so-called typewriter effect. In the Edit tab, we have a menu on the left-hand side. In the Toolbox panel, we expand Titles, where we will find a set of pre-made text elements that we can simply take and place onto the timeline. We will need Text Plus, which is essentially a smart text that we can edit, animate, and modify its behavior over time and so on. In the inspector, we type the desired text. To make the text appear letter by letter, we need to go to the Title tab, scroll down in the text category, and find the Write On option. Here we have a slider and the start and end options. At the beginning of the text, we will need to create a keyframe. Since this is the initial state, when the text is about to start appearing, we want none of the text to be visible at this point. We take the end slider and move it to start, which ensures that the text is not visible. Then, on the timeline, we move to the point where we want the text to be fully written. At this point, we create a second keyframe and move the slider we adjusted earlier back to end. A value of 1 indicates that all the text is written, while a value of 0 means that nothing is written at all. When we then play the video, the text will appear gradually, with the distance between the keyframes determining the speed at which it is written. If we swap the start and end values, we can also achieve the effect of gradually erasing the text or writing it backwards. And voila, we are done. If you found this tutorial helpful and learned something new, feel free to support me with a like, subscription or comment. If you would like to support me financially, you can buy me a coffee on Buy Me a Coffee page, link in the description below. It's all for today and I will see you next time in another tutorial.